You can hear text in the workspace read aloud, as well as record and listen to your own voice notes. To listen to text in a cell read aloud, click the sound shift icon, and then click the cell.
Autocratic.
Double-click the sound shift icon to keep it enabled, and then continue to click cells.
Nobles. New ideas. American Revolution.
And you can click the sound shift again to turn it off. Alternatively, you can right-click a cell to listen.
No representation. Poor leadership.
To add a voice note, click the cells icon and drag the voice note cell onto the board. Double-click the cell to open the sound recorder, which appears here, and then record your voice note. Causes of the French Revolution. You can play your voice note from here, you can re-record your voice note, or you can click Done, which will change the voice note icon into a speech bubble icon. Click the cell to listen to your recording. Causes of the French Revolution. And remember, you can re-record a voice note as many times as you wish.